What's going on, guys? Right now, we got an amazing piece of content for you. We're currently at the Mary Sharp's Hot Sauce Factory down in Stan Creek. We have Jody. He's gonna give us a little tour of the factory, tell us what the hot sauce is, get you guys up to speed on why you need to order this, try it if you haven't already. But thank you guys for having us.
Thank you for coming and welcome to Mary Sharp's. We are the premier local Belize hot sauce company. We also do jams and jellies, and we feel glad that you guys are here to see the magic of local fruits and vegetables in a bottle. And what makes us different from hot sauces around the region is everything inside a bottle of Mary Sharp is all natural. It's hand-cut carrots and onions, hand-peeled garlic, mixed with the habanero. We also have fruit sauces, which include the orange, grapefruit, and mango. They're very popular in Europe. We have a green pepper sauce, which is mixed with cactus, very popular in Asia. And we have a sauce for everyone. So if you like it mild, we have a mild, not so spicy. We have our everyday sauces, which is our hot and fiery hot. We also have very spicy, if you like that level up on heat, we have a Beware. And we also have smoked sauces, which is excellent on barbecues. It has that barbecue taste. We have a very upcoming sauce in the US, which is a sweet pepper sauce. We also call this a dipping sauce. Very good for meat and for dipping grilled chicken. And yes, we also have a new product. This is called the Red Hornet.
It's the Red Hornet. Guys, you want to see me try the Red Hornet? Then you got to get in the comments section and tell us that you want to see me try that, because apparently this is the hottest one, right?
Yes, this is the hottest one by far. This is around close to 20,000 Scoville units.
Oh my
and the second hottest we have is about 8,000. So this one is super hot. We also do juices, and we also do all natural jams and jellies, high fruit content. So we are here on a 400-acre farm. Most of what we grow, we transform into a product.
Wow. Well, let's check it out.
Let's go.
Keeping things sanitary is the #1 priority. Now when I get my face mask on, I'm going to be truly safe.
Well, welcome to Mary Sharp's. The company was first started in 1981 by Mrs. Mary Sharp in her kitchen, and the company has grown to over 80 employees. And this is the factory. We are located here at Melinda Estates, which is a 400-acre farm. On the farm we grow habaneros, we grow fruits, we grow almost everything that we make here into a processed product. In the first station, we entered through the container loading area. In this area, we could load 2 40-foot containers or 2 20-foot. We used to only could load 1 because we want to sell and guarantee our customers 3 to 5 days shipping to the US or other countries. We did 2 loading areas. So once someone, say for example in Canada, gives us an order yesterday, we could have that ready in 2 to 3 days. So we could get to that shelves quicker than the Mexicans and the Caribbean hot sauces.
This is where the magic
also
right
in that area, we went into the warehouse. In that warehouse, it's 3 times bigger than our old warehouse, this is a new warehouse that we have over a year now. And in there we move products so quickly, we put it on pallet, and on each pallet we could pack 240 cases, and it's 12 bottles per case. And then we proceeded to the cold storage. In that cold storage we have in drums fruit purees, which we use for jams. In Belize, our fruits are seasonal, so we can't find guavas all year round or mangoes, so we puree all the fruits. We put it in the freezer, so we have jams throughout the whole year. So say someone in Belize, they want 100 cases of mango jam in Christmas when there's no mangoes out here. We make sure we have that mango puree to make the jams as soon as possible. And then we proceeded to the back area, which has the reinforced tanks with 50,000 liters of habanero mash. So it's pure mash with salt and vinegar. It is preserved. We age it. We keep a lot of inventory of it just in case we have a hurricane and floods. We want to make sure we have a stock. We have a 2-year stock that could sustain us while habanero industry rebounds back. From there we proceeded to the other door, which is for entrance of raw materials. There we had a machine that we used to work on the habaneros. With this machine we could do 1,000 pounds a day or more. We used to do that part by hand. We used to empty the peppers by hand into the grinder, but now we use a machine. With that machine we could double our mashing of habaneros. Then we proceeded to our cooking room, which is one of my favorite rooms. There we saw the girls cutting up nopal, which is the cactus. This will be specifically made for our green habaneros. And in there we have our steam kettle pots, which we cook our product. We cook in about an hour, and then we blend it and then everything is blended into hot sauce, and then it is pumped to the back to the other area that we went, which is the other tank, which is hot sauce, the final product. And from there it is then pumped into the filling room, which is the last area, which is the main where everything happens. That machine there was made by an engineer in Mexico who came and saw the process. With that machine we could do close to 3,500 cases in a day, and it starts at empty bottles. It goes through the line, the caps are placed, the inner caps, the outer caps. It continues, it fills, and then it comes out to the X-ray machine. This X-ray machine is very important because just like an X-ray, it examines every bottle passing through. If a bottle is not good, it comes out of the line. Everything else that stays on is good product. And then it comes outside where the girls put the neckband. It goes through the heat tunnel, and then from there it goes through the barcode machine. Every bottle of Marie Sharp has a barcode, and it has a batch number, and it has an expiry date, so everyone knows, everyone around the world could look where it is made and the expiry date. And then from there it is then packed. Each girl would lift up and look at the bottle. They would spin it around before putting it into the box, just to review it. If it's not good, they place it in the middle and we rework it, and then it is placed inside the carton, passed through the machine to tape. The batch number is printed on every case, so our suppliers around the world, they could see their inventory, that they're not mixing the dates. And then from there it goes on to the pallet and straight into the container. From the container truck takes it to the port of Belize, and in about 30 to 60 days it goes to its destination. And that's the entire process for Marie Sharps.
Guys, we just finished the tour with Jody out here. Amazing tour. For me, Marie Sharps is the best hot sauce. You know I'm biased. I love everything about Belize, but you know, Tabasco, Frank's Red Hot Sauce, they're just boring. You gotta try the Marie Sharps. And if you wanna try it, Kruger's, probably the easiest one's gonna be Amazon, Safeway. They actually have a satellite office in the US, and we'll list in the description of the video links where you guys can go buy Marie Sharps hot sauce. So any stuff related to Belize, guys, as always, reach out to us, shoot us an email. And if you're in Belize, you wanna see something cool, come check out the factory here.
It's a special month for the company and for Mrs. Sharp. We are celebrating 40 years in business, and in celebration of our 40 years, we brought out this very limited edition hot sauce just for you guys. It's very limited edition. We only made 150 cases of it. It's made of aged habaneros mixed with the scorpion pepper, which we call the red hornet. It's a very unique product. It's $10 a bottle. This is the first time we've created one with a packaging like this, made in Belize, products of Belize. And it's a golden sauce here. This is a winner right here. And once it's finished. But in here, it's good. We have sugarcane vinegar. We have habanero peppers aged. We have white onions. We have sea salt. We have garlic. It's very good, and it's going fast. So this is our 40-year anniversary, very limited edition hot sauce.
Marie Sharps Belize! Thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of amazing content coming. And also, check out our book on Amazon, The Investor's Guide to Belize Real Estate. In it, we detail all the things you'd want to know if you're looking to make an investment in the Belize market. We had experts such as lawyers, bankers, architects, builders, all get involved in the making of this book. It's available on Amazon and Kindle. Aside from that, can't wait to see you guys down here. And don't forget to say hi to Chewy.